Want to add a payment button in LeadPages but aren't sure how to do it? Stick around, because in this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add a payment button in LeadPages step by step, so you can start processing payments like a pro. First, let's jump into your LeadPages account. Once you're in, navigate to the page where you want to add that payment button. From the page editor, you'll need to find the Widgets section in the left sidebar. Next thing you'll do is look for the Payment Button widget. Drag and drop this widget wherever you want the button to appear on your page. Now, this part is key. When you drop the payment button, you'll see a settings panel pop up on the left side of the screen. The next thing you'll need to do is configure the button. You can start by adding the text you want the button to say. For example, something like "Buy now" or "Sign up." After that, you can customize the button's color and style to match your brand, making sure it stands out but doesn't clash with your design. The fourth thing you need to do is set up the payment gateway. This is where LeadPages offers you some flexibility. You can connect the button to PayPal or Stripe. Both are pretty simple to connect. Just follow the prompts to link your account and you're good to go. Once that's done, you're going to want to set the price for whatever you're selling. LeadPages will give you an option to choose between a fixed price or a custom payment amount. Choose whatever fits your needs best. Next, let's talk about actions after payment. LeadPages allows you to set up a redirect URL after payment is completed. This could be a thank you page, a special offer, or any page you want your customers to land on once they've paid. Make sure you set this up so your customers get that seamless experience. Now, if you want to go the extra mile, you can set up a confirmation email that will automatically be sent after the payment is processed. You can customize the email to let your customer know their purchase was successful. Lastly, let's talk about testing. Before you make this live, make sure you test the button. LeadPages makes it easy to test the payment button by going into preview mode. Go through the whole payment process to make sure everything works perfectly. So now you know how to add a payment button in LeadPages. But here's the thing, LeadPages is great for creating landing pages, but it doesn't always give you as much flexibility as some other platforms when it comes to e-commerce and payment processing. That's why, if you're really looking to take your business to the next level, I recommend checking out some other platforms that might better suit your payment goals. We've got an exclusive offer with some of the best alternatives out there that also come with free trials. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, check it out and find out which platform is truly the best for your needs.